Good evening.
Good evening.
At St. Joseph Helpers, our mission is simple but powerful: to keep people safe and secure in their homes. Since 2023 alone, we've served more than 3,200 clients in need. Seniors needing essential support, veterans searching for services, and neighbors who simply don't know where to turn. We listen, we guide, and we walk with them towards real solutions. This week, as we celebrate the feast day of St. Joseph, we're reminded of a quiet worker, a faithful protector, and a humble servant. St. Joseph didn't seek recognition. He simply showed up, worked hard, and cared for those entrusted to him. That spirit is the heart of our work every day. But the need is growing, and we cannot do it alone. The call for volunteers has never been greater. If you're looking for a meaningful way to serve, whether it's answering phones, helping at events, or supporting our community directly, there's a place for you at St. Joseph Helpers. Together, we can continue St. Joseph's legacy of service by showing up for those in need and those who need us most.